Hello, welcome back to my channel Learn with Duguli. Hope you all are doing good. I'm here to acknowledge you about keyboard. You all know keyboard is the input device of a computer. Before starting this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can get all our new upcoming videos notification first, which will be very useful to you all. So let us start today's session. Make sure while listening this class you must have notebook and pen with you so you can note down the valid points that I'm gonna share with you all. So, keyboard is divided into 6 categories. Please note it down. The first category is control keys. The second category is function keys. The third category is typing keys or alphanumeric keys. Fourth category is navigation keys. Fifth category is numeric keypad. And at last, sixth category is indicator light. In this keyboard, indicator light is not available. That's why I'm showing it in another keyboard which is in a working stage. The first category is control keys. Please note it down. The keys that comes under control keys are control, window, alt, window, menu, control, print screen, scroll lock, pause break and escape. You might have been thinking why these keys are being repeated in one row. So let me explain you. There is nothing in it. While typing, the user's comfort, these keys are being repeated in one row. The other uses of these keys will be explained in other upcoming videos. Second category is function keys. From F1 to F12, it is called as function keys. These keys are used by programmers. If you want to know more about these keys, then ask me in the comment box. You will surely get the reply. Third category is typing key or alphanumeric key. These are numbers and these are the alphabets. They have combined these both and made it as a alphanumeric key. There are 4 rows in the alphanumeric keys. 1, 2, 3 and 4. One more additional thing I am going to share with you all, that is in this each key they have been given 2 functions. Suppose for example I have pressed 2. So there will be only the number 2 will be visible on my display. But if I clicked 2 along with the shift, so there will be a special character that will be visible on my display, that is @ key. Insert, delete, home, end, page up, page down, upper arrow, lower arrow, left arrow and right arrow. So these are the keys that comes under navigation key. Now it comes to the fifth point, which is numeric keypad. From here to here, this whole area or keys comes under the numeric keypad. This is mostly used by the accountants or account department for the purpose of calculation. In a simple way, you can say it as a calculator, mini calculator. To control all these keys, there is a control key which is called as number lock. So last point is indicator slide. There are 3 indicator slides on my keyboard. The first indicator light belongs to number lock. As I have told you in previous, to control this whole numeric keypad, there is a control key given, number lock. Simply, if you want to use this numeric pad, then you will on the number lock like this. So this is ready to use. Suppose if you don't want to use your numeric keypad, then you will off it like this. So you will see the light is disappear. So you can understand that the numeric pad is not ready to use. My second indicator light is caps lock. This belongs to my second indicator light. For example, in your smartphone, you want to use the alphabets in a capital letters. Then simply you will on the upper arrow and use the letters in a capital orders. But at the same time, if you want to use the capital letters in your computer, then you will tap or click this caps lock, and simply the second indicator light will be on. And then you will notice that your alphabets are ready to use in a capital letters. But if you don't want to use these alphabets in a the third indicator light belongs to the scroll lock key. This scroll lock key is used to lock the scroll on the display. But now at the present generation, everything is upgraded. The scroll lock key is not working to lock the scroll on the screen, but it's still working for the Microsoft Excel. How it works in Microsoft Excel, for that I am going to upload another video. Please go and check. For now, there is only three keys. That is number lock, capsule lock and scroll lock keys that belongs to the indicator light.
I hope you all understood this video. If you have any doubts or queries, please ask it in the comment box. You will surely get the replies. And please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.